In 1895, an Italian economist, Vilfredo Pareto, found that almost 80% of the land belongs to 20% of the people. In sales, almost 80% of the business comes from 20% of the customer base. In customer service, almost 80% of the complaints come from the 20% of the customer. In marketing, almost 80% of the achieved response come from the 20% of the marketing effort. In productivity, 80% of the accomplishment come from 20% of the task list. For many events, roughly 80% of your result come from 20% of your activities. 80-20 ratio is estimated. In your case, it may be 90-10, it may be 70-30, or it may be 60-40. 80-20 rules applies everywhere. In my YouTube channel, Success Night, 90% views and 90% subscribers come from the 10% of my videos. If we have 10 tasks to complete, 2 tasks of them worth way more than the other 8 combined together. On some project, we work very hard, but we don't get result as compared as our hard work. This is because we procrastinate doing those 20% tasks and keep busy ourselves doing those 80% of the tasks that results only 20% in our success. So how can we apply this Pareto principle, 80-20 rules in our life to increase our productivity, to achieve more in less time, to achieve more without burnout? The first step of the success is having a big dream. Big dream is the first consideration. Big dreams boost your self-confidence and self-esteem. Then write it down and make it a goal. Start working on this goal. And when you start working on the goals, you will find very little steps that you have to take to achieve those goals. And from those steps, find out which goals has more value and which has the less value. Prioritize it from A to E. A is the most valuable task and E is the least valuable task. And start working from A to E. If you work like this, you will complete those most valuable tasks first that will give you more result, and you will work less on that task that is less valuable. By doing this, you will find that you have achieved your goal on time and very efficiently. And now it is your turn to write down below in the comment section how you're gonna apply these 80-20 rules in your life, and subscribe this channel if you haven't yet. See you in the next video. Goodbye until then.